Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss question number 10 TSBIE first year English grammar in your board paper. Question number 10, that is do as directed. This bunch is very important because it carries 8 marks. Every question carries 4 marks, but it carries this question number 10, its weightage is 8 marks. So 4 you have to answer here. Each one carries 2 marks. So voice 1 question, speech 2 questions, degrees of comparison 2 questions, and 1 from question tag. Okay, so totally 6 will be given, but only 4 you need to answer. Choice is there, but anyhow each one carries 2 marks. That's why please take care of this question number 10. Now these are taken from your textbook. Okay, task 1, task 2, like that 20 tasks have been taken from your, collected from your textbook only. These are very important, so please follow all these videos and try to solve on your own. I am giving the solutions also, I am giving the answers also. Okay, so here we go. Now the first task we start. So first one is open the window, change the voice. The answer is, this is an order, that's why let the window be opened, let the window be opened, or you are ordered to open the window. Both are correct. Second one, Mrs. Bouncer said, is there anything else you have got to grumble about, sir? Sir means Cox. So into indirect speech, Mrs. Bouncer asked Cox whether, this is verb, no, that's why, whether there was anything else he had got to grumble about. Whether there was anything else he had got to grumble about. Full stop, no question mark, only full stop. Inverted commas are removed. That is the answer in their speech. Next, it belongs to both of you, question tag. This is present tense, that's why doesn't it. So what is the question tag here? Doesn't it. Next one, Jagan is the tallest boy in the class into comparative degrees CD. Jagan is taller than any other boy in the class. Okay, type 1, normal type 1 singular comparison. Next, Savita is more intelligent than Vinita. So this is dual comparison between two, Savita and Vinita, into positive degree. Vinita is not as intelligent as Savita. Vinita is not so intelligent as Savita. Both are correct. As intelligent as, so intelligent as, same. Next one, passive voice. Floods cause a lot of damage. Change into passive voice. A lot of damage is present tense. That's why is caused by floods. A lot of damage is caused by floods. Okay, task 1 is over. Now come to task 2. Okay, next one. Surya was invited to tea by Chandra. Already this is in passive voice, so we are asked to change it into active voice. Okay, Chandra invited, this is past tense, no, that's why Chandra invited Surya to tea. Chandra invited Surya to tea. Okay, right. Next one, do you apply Pythagoras theorem or Newton's law of gravity? Into passive voice. This is a question in present tense, that's why is Pythagoras theorem or Newton's law of gravity applied by you? Is Pythagoras theorem or Newton's law of gravity applied by you? Question mark, passive voice. Okay, next, I asked my biology teacher what I should do to save it. Change it into direct speech. Already indirect speech is given, direct speech reverse. Okay, so how to frame the direct speech here? I said to my biology teacher, comma, inverted comma, start. I said to my biology teacher, comma, quotation start, what shall I do? What shall I do to save it? What shall I do to save it? Question mark, commas close. Okay, right. Next one, you said to me, I haven't yet met him. You said to me, I haven't yet met him. Into indirect speech. You told me that you hadn't yet met him. You, I becomes you, have becomes had, you hadn't yet met him. Okay, full stop. Commas should be removed. Next, Jupiter is bigger than any other planet into positive degree. This is type 1. Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. Positive degree, how to start? No other. No other planet is as big as Jupiter. No other planet is as big as or so big as. Both are correct. No other planet is so big as Jupiter. Right? Okay. Next. He never says a word. Question tag. So, what is the question tag here? He never says a word. This is present tense. He takes does. Doesn't he or does he? But here, never is a negative word. Okay, never is a negative word. So, does he? Does he is the question tag. Does he is the question tag, right? Okay. Now come to task 3, third one. They were reading the newspaper into passive voice. How to change? This is past continuous. Were reading, past continuous. Ing form. Whenever ing form is there, being must be used in passive voice. The newspaper was being read. Read, read, read. The newspaper was being read by them. Was being read by them. Okay, passive voice. Next, he said, I have lost my bag into indirect speech. He said, I have lost my bag. He said that he had lost his bag. He said that he had lost his bag. Okay, comma should be removed. That is the indirect speech. Next, Harika said to her friend, will you come to my home tomorrow? Question mark into indirect speech. Harika said to her friend. Said to becomes, this is question mark. That's why asked. Harika asked. Said to becomes asked. Harika asked her friend. This is a verb. That's why we have to begin with if or whether. Okay, whether she would come to. She would come. Will come becomes would come to her home. Tomorrow becomes the next day or the following day. Whether she would come to her home the next day. Full stop. No question mark. In indirect speech, we have only full stops. Okay. Next one. Shimla is cooler than Ooty into positive degree. Ooty is not as cool as Shimla. Ooty is not so cool as Shimla. Both are correct. Okay, next one. I can't speak as fast as you. I can't speak as fast as you. As fast as positive is given, positive degree is given. So, into comparative degree, change it into comparative degree. You can speak, you can, not is there, no. Second time we should not use, okay. You can speak faster than I or faster than me, both are acceptable. You can speak faster than I, faster, comparative. Okay, now the last one for this task. I am very happy now. Question tag. What is the question tag? Am is there, so amn't becomes aren't. Aren't I? So here what we have to write? Aren't I? Okay, this is the question tag. I am very happy now, aren't I? This is the question tag. So we have covered only 3 tasks today in this video. Totally there are 20 tasks. So you have to cover all these 20 tasks. You have to solve these tasks. Then so you will be perfect with this question number 10, which is the most important part of your board paper because its weightage is 8 marks. Okay, it has more weightage comparatively compared to other questions, right? Hope that this video is very useful to you. So thanks for watching my videos. I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.